Hi guys. So how's everything going on? Hi Geetika. Let me know if you guys are able to hear me. Hi Pallavi. Hi Ravali. So guys, are you excited to see the new molds what we are going to show now? Hi Riddhi. Hi Swanky Creation House. Hi Kanchan. Yes, we can. Okay. Thank you Nisha. Hello Geetika. Pushpi. Hi Veggie Craft. Your voice is clear. Thank you, the craft lady. Hi Kanchan. Hi Deepthi. So guys, I had just shown a short video of the new molds. So guys, can you guess what are the molds I'm going to launch today? Hi Ekta. Okay guys, I won't take much of your time. I'll start showing the molds. So first I'll show you something related to Christmas itself. This is a moon mold. It's a hanging one. See this, it's a moon hanging mold. You can add light in it. It has a good depth to it. Stand mold, I guess. Mythica, yes, there is one stand mold also. So guys, this is moon mold. It's pretty big, you can see. Okay, so this is one. Then we have star hanging also. Christmas related, yeah, that is what I'm showing you. Moon, star. Okay, so this is the only two related to Christmas. So this is a crystal tea light holder mold. I'll share the finished picture in some time in Insta and my see these new molds I'll try to upload today, okay, tonight. So this is a crystal tea light mold. Crystals. Okay, this has a crystal design and a tea light pasted. Looks great. Thanks, Deepthi. Okay, so this is crystal tea light mold, guys. Many were asking you, and this is going to be very affordable. I know in market you guys are getting it very expensive ones. This is going to be an affordable crystal tea light holder. Okay, then next I will show you. Someone was talking, right? Yeah, stand mold, guys. This is a stand easel mold. You guys can keep your clock. You can keep your frames, your display pieces, huge pieces. You can for display. It comes in two part. Once your finished piece is ready, you can just fix this together. Okay, so it's an open and close model. Nisha, prices will be uploaded on website here. I'm not saying prices of any molds right now. Okay, so this is the mold number 3, easel mold, stand easel mold. It's 10-inch, guys. It's 10-inch mold. Then we have, this is agarbatti mold, agarbatti stand mold. Okay, you have 3 designs in it. One is plain, one is with the moon facing. If you can see, there is a moon facing, and this is with the cute little stars. If you're able to see the cute little stars, one big star and cute little stars in it. Okay, it has a hole for your agarbattis to fit in it. So this comes as a 3 designs in one palette. Okay, it's an agarbatti stand mold. Then we have cute sun mold. You can use it for your hangings, your keychain, magnets. It's a sun mold. Then we have this 7 chakra mold. Many were asking me for 7 chakra. So this is actually a dome 7 chakra. Okay. And this is the flat kind of 7 chakra mold. Yeah, this comes as a set only, guys. It's not single piece. Dog bone shape molds, Tattva, no, we don't have that right now. Soon, I think Krishna's is going to launch that. Krishna's craft area. So guys, this is 7 chakra mold. One is dome model and another one is flat model. Both comes as a set only. Okay, 7 chakra mold. Hi Preeti. Then I have something new. So guys, see, this is the mold. It comes with the stand, moon, and see the nice designs in it. It's kind of filigree design. Notebook mold we already have AF9418. A5 I think we don't have. How to join those two parts of stand? Who was that? Curious Creation, that's what I told you. It has a screw kind, not a screw. It is a flexible. It has a point in it. When I'll share you the pictures, you will be able to find it out. So guys, this is the another mold. Riddhi prices will be uploaded on website. Okay guys, this comes with the stand, your finished piece. You can just fix it in. So guys, here something for actually anyone can use it, but I think this is mainly for Muslims. They might prefer more. I'm really sorry, I didn't want to separate and say anything, but it's up to everyone's choice. Who wants, they can buy that. Then I have the plain simple mobile holder mold. Okay, it's a plain mobile holder mold. Okay guys, it's a plain mobile holder mold. The finished pictures will be shared on the Instagram and website. Jewelry mold, Isha, we have restocked 2-3 jewelry molds. I'm not showing that here, but yes, we have restocked. I want flower pot mold set of 3. Flower pot mold has not come. The crafty lady, yes, for Eid, that's the perfect one. Someone wants to gift, for Eid something, that's the perfect moon mold. Moon with the design. Then we have one more cute mobile holder, mustache. You can keep 2 mobiles at the same time, one this side and one this side. Let me see if I'm just showing you as a sample. Okay, suppose this is a mobile, you keep your mobile over here, it fixes in that way. Okay, so this is the mobile holder, one more. Then someone wanted shaker molds, so this is the one design shaker mold. You can see the cute kitty ears. This is the one new shaker design mold. And I was getting request for player mold also, so we have got some player mold also. So guys, this I have, see these molds, some are very limited pieces, some we might have maybe count of 10 or 15. This one I think I have only 3 or 4 pieces as of now. Are you able to see the player mold? Cute, na? Yes, Dipti. So guys, I have shown you all the molds. I'll show you once again, guys who joined in late. For you, I'll just show you once again. Okay, I'll show from the start. This is moon mold, mold number 1. Star mold, mold number 2. Stand mold, easel stand mold. I am restocking old molds, Renu. Okay, so stand mold, mold number 3. Sun mold, mold number 4. Crystal tea light mold, Quickie collection, everything will be uploaded on website, the prices and everything. Okay, so mold number 5. Mold number 5, agarbatti stand mold. Mold number 6, seven chakra mold. Sorry guys, please don't call me while I'm on live. So mold number 7 chakra mold. Eid moon mold with the stand. Mold number 8. Normal mobile holder mold. Mold number 9. No, notebook mold is not coming right now. I had enough of stock, but still it's less. Mold number 10, I guess. 10 mobile holder mold, mustache. 11 kitty shaker, kitty gamer mold, you can say. And the player mold number 12. Mixed dry flower, who was that? Sarva Gautamukala. See, I just stocked, I think, nearly more than 200 of flowers we had restocked, but everything went out of stock immediately. Okay, so guys, I have just showed you. Okay, we are launching 2 more new pearl pigments which I had announced earlier. It's a 2-tone pearl pigments. Okay, one is, it's red with purple tone. It doesn't catch as much on camera. You will see it has a light tint of purple, you can say. Okay, it's red with purple. This is not red with purple. Oh yeah, this is red with purple. Sorry, I got confused between red and red with purple. And this is green with red tone. Are you able to see the green shine to it? Yeah, so it's green with maroon actually. Green with maroon tone. I have one new glitter also, chunk glitter. Wait, let me show you. It is hanging outside, see. New glitter, yeah. So okay, comb mold. No, I'm not getting comb mold. Are there molds of crescenting moon? Crescenting moon. Okay, so this is the new glitter. It's a chunk big size hexagon. Okay, iridescent one. It's a big size one. The size what we have, it's bigger than that. Ebullient soul, crescenting moon means, are you asking the facing moon? We already have the facing moon big size. Yes, rosebud. Okay guys, so that's it. Jewelry mold, I'll just show you what I have available. See this, I have just 1 or 2 pieces in this. See, who was asking about the jewelry mold? Isha Sidani, yeah, Sidwani. So this is one jewelry mold. This is the second one, second design. These both are same. And this is the another one. These 3 pieces I have currently, which will be uploaded on website. Okay, it will be updated today. The jewelry one will be updated now. Can you show the molds again? Lekha. Oh god, Lekha I have already shown twice. Lekha. Sarva Gautamukala. I don't know why you were sending me request, Sarva Gautamukala. Okay, so guys, that's it. It was a short, fast video. I wanted to show you the new molds. TikTok mold, you want to see? Okay, you want to see the earlier ones which we launched, new molds. TikTok mold. Okay, and There was some more, right? 2-3 more designs which we had launched. Wait, I'll just show you. Nisha, 2 minutes, give me. Here, Nisha. XOXO TikTok mold. This is the big size, small size is coming soon, guys. So bigger size ones. How to be a part of your broadcast? For what purpose, Dipti, do you want to be part of the broadcast? I didn't understand. You have to just send me a WhatsApp message and say that you want to get added to your broadcast. That's it, and we just add you to the broadcast. Thank you stickers, please. Thank you stickers are all sold out. I had shown that last time. Do you have agate molds? Praveena Shri, you want big size agate or you are looking for the small pop socket size agate? We have big size for agate molds. When are they uploading the new molds on the website? I'll be uploading today. Vintage store. Okay. XOXO mold. Nisha, hope you saw the design. XOXO. Did I launch any other new molds? I've lost the track of the molds. How many I have launched? Let me check. Anything else, guys, you want? Big lotus mold you have seen. Fish sticker you have seen already. Guys, did you see the ring? Okay, I think you missed the ring, napkin ring mold. Napkin ring mold. Wait, guys, I'll show you. I want to know the new molds. I have sent the message to you. Can you check, please? Dipti, I haven't received your message, any message. I'm on WhatsApp, I'm checking. I don't see any of your. Will you get dog bone shape mold anytime soon? Tatva, that's what I told you. I think Krishna's Crafteria, Dharni is launching that very soon. I guess. When it will be restocked, please. Thank you, stickers. Thank you, stickers are not coming now. It will be maybe restocked by Jan end. Not soon, but. Napkin ring holder, 4-piece together. The napkin holder ring mold, yes. So guys, okay, this is the last piece actually. Just now I noted we have sold out the 10 pieces in this 10 sets already. See, the napkin ring holder comes in the 4 set. It has a hexagon shape. It has a heart shape. It has the square one and the round. Okay, so these 4 molds together cost you only $5.99. I am damn sure you won't find this price anywhere. Wait, let me show you the 4. Okay, square, round, heart and hexagon. This is the last piece available, last set. I don't have pop socket molds, Rava, Muktala. Pop socket molds are with Renee's and Krishna's Crafteria. They have many designs in pop socket molds. You can check with them. Karigari Spectrum, hi. So I see many people are requesting to be part of my live. Want to join with me on live. I don't see today Priya or Dharni. I saw Preeti. Preeti, are you still live? So guys, new pearl pigment powders. It has red with light purple tone, green with maroon tone. New pearl powder, pearl mica powders. New glitter. It's a big chunk glitter. I will check. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. Shravya. Okay. Yeah. Okay, Shravya. Okay, guys, thank you so much. I've done with the molds. Okay, and I'll try to upload this as soon as possible. And guys, the broadcast, there's some issue with the broadcast. So guys, even though if you get joined in broadcast and if you don't get the messages, check the status, WhatsApp status, all the links are shared there. Can you tell the handles again? Blend with VB handles, Reni's and Krishna's Crafteria. They both sell pop socket molds. Artnik, yes, everything sells out in the blink of an eye, everything goes out of stock. I don't know whether I should be happy about it or I should be sad about it, because as soon as I upload, even sometimes before sharing the links in broadcast, it goes out of stock. So it's like, everyone is just waiting on the website to see when it's getting uploaded. Yeah. Thank you, guys. Anything else you want to ask? I will be there for another 2 minutes and then I'll just end the live. This shows your quality. Thank you, Artnik. So guys, you have any questions? You want to know anything? Shubhra, thank you for the quality problem. Thank you, Atyogi. We will soon be coming with our new molds. I'm working on the designs, so planning for some new molds. You guys can suggest what you guys want, a new molds which is not available, or you can suggest what we should bring in more. Thank you, Ekta. Thank you so much. And thank you everyone to be, so patient with me, because see, it's taking too much time for me to dispatch each and everyone's order. There are sometimes more than 200 orders to be dispatched. Thanks for providing things in reasonable budget. Thank you, Artsy Fantasy. Druzy Jewelry Molds, Artnik Druzy Jewelry Molds, I think Surya had launched Gold Line Artistry. I'm not getting into Druzy side at all. I don't have time also to experiment on Druzy, and I know it's not easy. So hats off to the guys who are doing Druzy molds and Druzy pieces. Please restock comb mold. Quickie collection, I think I should launch my own comb molds. You guys can suggest me, send me the designs. What design you would love for comb molds. You can sketch and send me the designs which you would prefer for the comb mold. Yes, thank you, Benny. I'll pin the comment. Okay, so guys, Benny has shared the handles of Krishna's and Reni's for the pop socket molds. I have pinned it. You guys can go look at their handles. Thank you, Shubhra. Mold for bookmark. Okay, ebullience, you can send me some suggestions for designs also which you guys would prefer. See, in market I see there are many bookmark molds already, so I was planning, but send me some designs what you like. Butterfly earring mold, only butterfly. Okay, something with kites, upcoming Sakranti. Curiously creative, something with kite. Say, I want to know what will you do out of that kite, something related to kite. It's a seasonal mold. Okay, I don't know how do people use those stuff then. Something which is designed for seasonal festival, after that what will you use the kite one for? Half moon earring mold, which I just showed. I think that has a half moon already. Earring one, jewelry mold. See, these designs all has a half and full. Okay, see, this also has some designs. Ganesha Buddha mold. Ganesha we already have, and not exactly Buddha. We have 7 chakra mold. Chaudhary Akriti. Akriti, I think, are you new? I'm not sure, but we already have a 7 chakra mold which is kind of similar to Buddha mold. But if you're particular about Buddha mold, Rini's has a small size Buddha mold. A mold for name tag for cats and dogs. Benny, that is what people were asking for, the dog bone mold. And I think Krishna's is going to launch. Silicon mat, if you have. Ekta, yes, silicon mat we do have. We had restocked also. See, I do have silicon mat and it's A3 size. I'll just show you. Small for earrings or brooches. Which one? 1 second. Sorry guys, I got a call. So someone was asking for silicon mat. Ekta, yes, see, we do have big size A3 size silicon mat. Go order it before it goes out of stock. Perfect for your resin work, so your place doesn't get spoiled. Even though if you spill a resin, it's easy to peel off from the silicon mats. Do you have tray mold, Drish? Yes, we do have tray molds. We have the irregular one, the big rectangular shape, small heart and round molds for finger rings. Small heart and round. Artnik, we have mom and baby mold. In that you have small star, small heart, which is the perfect size for rings also. Thank you, Shubhra. Okay, big kite for coaster. Okay, I got it. Curiously creative, I understood what you're trying to convey. I got it. Okay, so guys, silicon mat A3 size. Okay, it's big enough. So even though if you're working with your coasters, you can place 3-4 coasters together on this A3 size. Okay, bezels, I have got some round, I've got some shapes back in stock. Okay, I will be updating even that today on the website. The round, the square, the hexagon, then adala cancel it. Sorry, there's a courier pickup happening. Do you have bezel? That's it. Okay guys, anything else? Oh god, again a call. Sorry guys, this is what happens. I get so many calls in between. Jewelry findings, Shubhra, jewelry findings in the sense you're asking the hooks, the jump rings and all those. You want me to show you the agate mold and the 5-piece one. I'll show you the agate mold, Pravina. It's a big size, okay? It's a coaster size agate mold. Here, this is the agate mold. Silicon measuring jars. We have measuring cups, 100 ml ones, and let me check if I have stock of it. I did get 30 pieces of those, but 100 ml measuring cup. Who was that asking for measuring jar? Drish, right? Drish, only last piece available on website. Drish, if you want, you can place order immediately for the measuring cup. It's 100 ml one. You want, I'll show you the 100 ml measuring cup, silicone measuring cup, 100 ml. Repeat what, Ravali? Here, see Drish. This is the measuring cup. Okay, it's a 100 ml one. That's it guys, okay? I think that's it. Who was asking about the poster mold? This is a big size poster mold. It has 5 posters. Ekta, you have to type A3 silicon mat. I will give you the code, okay? This is silicon. See, guys, for matte, silicon matte, the code is MB4009. Ravili, you missed the live, okay? It will be posted, okay? It will be again. It will be available on Instagram and my YouTube also. Chains we already have, Shubhra. Bale caps, some might still be available on website, etc. Are they on the website? Chains, we do have chains, rhodium, gold, bronze. We do have even the what do you call that, clasp. We have jump rings. Okay, that's it guys, done. Silicon matte, you guys can go have a look on the website. It's still available, and the new products whatever I had shown, it will be available on website tonight, before tonight. And if you guys want to know when, join the broadcast, or save my number 7010323040. WhatsApp me, I'll save your number so you can check in my status also. It will be shared on WhatsApp status also. Okay, that's it. Thank you guys, thank you for being with me. We'll soon come with more new molds. Okay, bye.